Hey guys, what's up? It's Mia here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stained glass picture on this canvas. So let's get started. So these are the supplies that you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing some painter's tape, some paint brushes, a towel to wipe off your water, paint, and something to paint on. So I'm just using this canvas, this plain white canvas, nothing on it. So the colors I am going to be using Apple Barrel paint, and the colors I'm going to be using is Candy Pink, Purple Iris, Bright Red, Parakeet, Sunny Day, and Caribbean. And I would really recommend these paints because they are really cheap and amazing. So first things first, you're going to be needing some painter's tape. So you don't want paint to be on the sides of the picture. So I'm going to quickly outline my canvas with some painter's tape and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and I just outlined my canvas with this painter's tape. So the next step is you'll need to just make random lines on your canvas or paper with painter's tape. So like you can just go in any direction. So I can just make a triangle here, a triangle there. So once I'm done with this, I will come back to you. Okay, so I am back and I just put in all different directions and it looks really good. So now you just need to paint each of the squares, and you want to make sure that your tape is all the way down because you don't want it to go in the little crevices or else it won't look as clean as it should. And this does use a lot of painter's tape, just so you know. So I will come back to you when it's okay. So I am back and I put my first coat on, and I did notice that it's going to be a little bit light, so you might want to go over a second coat. So I'm going to go over a second coat and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so I just finished my second coat and it looks a lot better. So now you don't want to let it dry all the way before you take off the tape, because if you do, then some of the paint might rip off and you don't want to take that risk. So you want to leave it kind of wet. So I'm going to take off this tape and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and this is the finished product and it looks really nice and I really liked it. When I did take off the tape, I did have to do some touch-ups, which was okay. It was just little minor issues some of the paint got in. So yeah, I think this looks like a modern piece and you can flip it upside down or wherever you want. So make sure to push that like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!